Hey, this is Martin, and in this video I'm going to show you how to compare marketing channel ROIs with Team-GPT. I've set up a project called Marketing ROI Agent. I've given it a very detailed instruction, as well as a couple of files for our dummy brand that we usually use for these videos, as well as a very comprehensive deep research on marketing channels and ROI best practices. The instructions I've initially described the persona, the core mission, based on my personal expertise and based on a little bit of research. Afterwards, I've enhanced the instruction with our enhancer. So one cool thing after you've set it up, or for example, you set it up but some other person wants to use it but they don't want to read all of this to realize what they need, what exactly it does. All you need to do is go in the chat and just ask. There you go, I ask it what information should I provide, and it's giving me essential data for optimal analysis. So it's giving me everything that the agent was built around and what I should give it to essentially generate me a good analysis. So now that we have this, all I'm gonna do is I've generated some dummy data for our Mindful Bites brand, and I'm just gonna paste it here. There you go, it provided me enough so we can conduct a thorough analysis. And there we go, we have comprehensive analysis by channels. It's giving me a graph, it's calculating the ROAS, the CAC, the CPA, then it's giving me all the critical insights. So please try this for your brand. Tell me how it's going. You can DM me on LinkedIn or etc. Don't worry, everything from this will be available in on the website. And thank you for tuning in. See you in the next one.